Hey, this is Matt Wimmer from Brody Precision, and in this unboxing video, we're going to be taking a look at the Phoenix Contact FL WLAN 4321, which is a point-to-point wireless solution for Ethernet. Phoenix markets it as the Easy Ethernet cable extender because both ends of your connection, both antennas that I'll show you in a minute, are automatically paired at the factory. It's pre-configured. You don't have to do anything. You just have to point them at each other and install them in their required locations. And you can get up to 2 miles of distance out of them, line of sight, with up to 300 megabits per second for speeds. So it's a pretty nice little solution, super easy to use, and we're going to take a look at what's included in the box. This box has already been opened and the product actually used before, so the packaging will obviously be a little bit different when you get it directly from the factory, but let's take a look at what you get. So the first piece that you'll see is obviously your documentation. This is good to make note of because it has all of your LED indicators listed on it so that you know what the LEDs do. This is good because the antennas themselves don't actually have markings for what those LEDs do. So we've got our first LED is our power. Second is the link activity between the two antennas, and then the last four are our signal strength. And then we also have notes in here about the cable requirements. Obviously, this is most likely going to be going outside, so you should be using shielded Cat 5e or better, as well as shielded connectors and grounding these. And then included in the box is also mounting hardware so that you can mount this on a pole and adjust it as you need to, and that shows you how to do that here. So these are the two antennas. They're powered via power over Ethernet, so you'll see the only connection on the bottom is our Ethernet and then our 6 LEDs. And you'll also note that one side is labeled A and one side is labeled B. It doesn't really make a difference where you place A versus B, but that's how you know that these are paired with each other. So that is our antennas. And then we move to our power over Ethernet adapters. So you get one for each in the box. They've got a power indicator on them. It takes power input, or all of our inputs are on this side, right? So we've got power, and then we've got our Ethernet from our network that we're trying to connect to. And then this side merges those two together. So now we've got power and we've got Ethernet on that end. So this is the end that goes to our antenna. And that's also labeled on the side here. I don't know if you can really see that, but it is embedded in the plastic. So we've got 2 of those. And then we've got 2 of the AC adapters for them. We've got some covers and gaskets for the Ethernet connector. And then we've got our brackets for our pole mounting, as well as the mounting hardware for them. So that really does it for the Phoenix Contact FL WLAN 4321. And used it in the field. I've actually gone out in the field and tested it and helped out a customer with it. Super easy to use and install. There's really nothing to it. You power it up and it goes and it does this thing so long as they're pointed at each other. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brody Precision, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.